Welcome to Hope Channel International. In this video, learn about Go Healthy for Good, a regular show on the Hope Channel network that encourages people to make healthy lifestyle choices and emphasizes the Adventist belief in the importance of healthy living.
Go Healthy for Good is a show that is there to support and encourage people to make healthy lifestyle choices.
Whichever way you decide to do it, try to build 30 to 60 minutes of exercise into your day, 5 days a week.
The beauty of health is that everybody needs it, from a tiny baby right through till the last day that we breathe our last breath, and so we have shows that help young moms with toddlers, we have shows that help the elderly to age better, and everything in between. Shows for young people, shows for families, and shows that deal with more sensitive issues, and then more general issues. So we try and have something for everybody. What we've tried to do with the show is to try and create interest at the same time as informing. And so I think something that's really powerful is hearing someone else's story. Because often if there's something we can relate to in that person's story, we somehow get hope that we can do it for ourselves as well. And so we use a story, we have experts that are giving information with the interview. And then there's cooking. So people love recipes, love to try new things. And so there's the cooking segment. There's exercise. So people actually can get off the sofa and get down on the floor or do whatever we're doing and actually engage with exercise and find out why it's good for them. There's the news, the latest research on lifestyle medicine, going shopping, go into the produce stand and say, hey, what's an apple good for? What's a carrot good for? So all of these different elements, and then the interaction with viewers. I love to get their questions, find out what's interesting them and be able to answer those questions. We can go to our doctor and get all sorts of medical advice, and that's all well and good and that's important. But I think for someone sitting at home, to actually be given information that's going to empower them in their daily lives to make choices that are going to help prevent disease, choices that will help with any illnesses they already have or issues that they know they're going to deal with, say they're going to have surgery or they know that they're going to go into rehab, then, it's good to give people those tools because then they suddenly become the CEOs of their own health, and I'm really a firm believer in that. Through our website, people are able to send us messages, and so this person had just watched Obesity 101, and so they watched and they saw that actually they were needing to make changes. And just that message has really impacted them, and they're making all of these wise plans, the strategies that they're going to put in place to change that situation on a day-to-day basis. So I just love those stories. It thrills my heart that people are waking up and seeing they have the power. They can lengthen their lives and put more quality into their life.